hustle, get it, I get it, I get it. I am not seeking approval. I'm number one, I tell bitches what to do. He heard I'm Creole, he think I know voodoo. Bitch, I will twist your ass up like a noodle. Oh, you a copy of me, you a doodle. Bitches is blocking to me like I'm Kodak.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video all about natural hair. So it has been 1 whole year since I did my big chop. You know, I cut all of it off. I had permed my hair for, it must have been like 8 years. I started really young. I got perms every few months, constantly. And it destroyed my hair. My hair was falling out, it was getting thin, it was really bad. And so I transitioned for about 3 months, I think, and I wore my hair in a bun every single day because I was getting new growth and everything. And then it was June 20 blah 2018. I went to my bathroom, got some scissors, and just, my mom was so mad. Like, she was like, what did you do to your hair? I was like, I just cut it a little bit, you know, but basically I'm gonna just show y'all what I've been doing, how I've been growing my hair out. And like, my hair is about almost boob length. Like, it's like shoulder strap length, like if I straightened it. But I'm not sure what hair type I have. I think I have like maybe, I don't know, I don't know. I really don't know. But okay, let's go into the products. So one big thing that you have to do with your hair is hydrate. Like oils, everything you use, it's gotta be good for your hair. I have average porosity. That means like how your hair holds up water and stuff. So I use a lot of oils. So here's some of the oils I have. Black castor oil. Oh, don't mind my nails. See on this hand, I'm just saying. I got this Amala hair oil. This stuff is really good, but you have to wash it out because good oils like this, they kind of smell. I got marula oil, and this is also good for your skin. Grapeseed oil. And where is it? Where you at? Come on. How come every time I try and film, all my stuff, oh, here it is. Okay, so this was the Grew stimulating growth oil, but I ran out, so I created my own little concoction. This is sesame seed oil, olive oil, black castor oil, this is tea tree oil, this is vitamin E oil, this is, I think there's some lavender oil in here. Just a bunch of great nourishing oils to just massage into my scalp. Like, you can, whatever. Okay, you have oils you want to like put onto your scalp, and then you can massage it in with your hands, or I have different head massagers. I got this one from Forever 21. Don't mind her, she's little. Okay, come on girl, we got a video to film. Okay, her like this, and you can go like, yeah. Or did I just mess up my hair? Okay, no good. I have this one that I got from Vanity Planet. It's the Vita Goods one. This is amazing. Let me get batteries. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm just saying. Okay, let's get this going. And that was in. You just put it on your scalp. Oh my god. And it's got 2 speeds. That was nice. Okay. And I like to do this as much as possible because there's no harm, no foul. It's just good and it feels good too. So a lot of times, I've never done a twist out, but I've done braid outs because the twist out was not for me because I can't, no, but I can braid. So I use the Camille Rose Almond J twisting butter. This stuff is really good. All their products, I love their products. I also use the curl maker. It's got marshmallow and agave leaf. This stuff is really good. I've got it in my hair right now. I've never worn my hair like this before. I like it. Had to do a little edge. Sure, but I'm just saying. Okay, this is the Ebin 24-hour Super Hold Edge Tamer. Focus. Some of the other products I use, I really never thought I would be this into Garnier, but they're really good. They've got this Curl Construct. It's a mousse. Here, I'll show you a little bit. Comes out like this. And I like to just, okay, now we gotta use this. Okay. This is really good if you're doing like a slick down bun or something like that. It's really good at forming curls and being able to slick them down. Good? Yeah, we good. Okay. Then I've got the Cantu Natural Comeback Curl. I like to use this if I'm doing a little bun. I like to have little curly pieces out in my bun. So sometimes I'll do the bun, just spritz, 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 get a few curls out, pop out, you know what I'm saying? Then I've got this Garnier Full Control Hairspray. I haven't really used this a lot. It's probably good. I'm not really sure. I can't recommend that because I don't know. But this, the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. This stuff is so good. Like, it got to the point where I put some in a little bottle and started taking it to school because, like, it's so good. Every time, just spray a little on your hair and you know it's gonna hold it, and it smells pretty good too. And it keeps some moisture in my hair, which is something I constantly need. Then I've got this Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Leave-In Treatment. I love just about anything Shea Moisture. I use their shampoo, their conditioner. I use the Curl and Style Milk. I use, you know, like I said, this spray. I use, I got a handful right now. I got their raw shea butter. And I use the conditioner. It's down there somewhere. Ooh. But when I first started going natural, I started using only biotin hair growth like shampoos and conditioners, which it didn't work out for me. The shampoo was fine, but I needed a more moisturizing conditioner, you know, to like really like make my curls pop. But okay, let's see what else we got. Let's see what else I got. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite brands, OGX. I love this brand. It's so good. Like, all their stuff is good. All their oils, their conditioners, their shampoos, all good. You can get it at Target, Walmart. Everything they have is good. Like, I love this stuff. Like, you really need to try some of their stuff. And they have so many different, like, they have like so many combinations. They've got like cherry. Who puts cherry in their shit? But it was good. Like, I don't know. I think that's like about it. I just have my little spray. This is OGX too, but I think I mixed this up. Oh, this has my Carol's Daughter what's the word? Leave-in conditioner plus some of this. And you know, every time I'm done with something, you gotta reuse it. Like, people be throwing stuff out. I'm like, stop. I can use that. I have, oh my gosh, let me show you. I got this 360 hairspray water bottle for Christmas from Amazon. I love this thing. Let me show you. One tap of it. Like, and you can just, it just doesn't stop. Like, it's perfect. I love it. I'm out of water, but it's good. Just know that. Just know. You gotta be patient. It's hard. It's really, really hard. Like, especially when I was starting off, it was just so hard to, like, be confident in my hair, be confident in myself, to go outside, and, you know, be natural, because it's not something that everybody's doing. But you really need to be like, you can do this. Believe in yourself, believe in your hair. It's not always gonna be perfect. You're not always gonna have that perfect Pinterest girl, Twitter girl, whatever hair. It's not gonna be perfect, but you gotta try. You gotta stick with it, because you will get the results. You just need to be patient, and you need to keep working at it. And you need to love yourself and love your hair. Black girls, we're amazing, period. Like, this natural hair thing, it is exhausting and frustrating, but I don't think I've ever loved myself more than embracing my natural hair. Like, really, it's brought a whole new side of me. Like, it's just really, it's changed me in a good way. It really has. I hope y'all like this video, and if you are transitioning or you just went natural, you have any questions, please feel free to ask, comment, like, subscribe, share your stories. I want to hear, I want to know. Like, I love talking about hair so much, because I'm in love with hair. My hair, everybody's hair. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.